Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your sales techniques with LinkedIn easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by creating a strong LinkedIn profile that highlights your sales experience and achievements. Use a professional photo that reflects your brand. Craft a compelling headline that encapsulates your expertise in sales. Write a summary that details your skills, experiences, and what sets you apart in the sales industry. Next, adjust your privacy settings to control who can see your profile and activity. Navigate to the Privacy tab in your LinkedIn settings. Choose options that restrict visibility to only your connections or specific individuals. Connect with other sales professionals by sending personalized connection requests. Engage in meaningful conversations with potential clients and partners. Regularly post content related to sales techniques and industry insights. Share articles, insights, or tips that showcase your knowledge and establish you as an authority. Join relevant LinkedIn groups focused on sales and participate actively. Contribute to discussions and share your expertise with group members. Utilize LinkedIn's publishing platform to write articles that demonstrate your understanding of sales strategies. Ensure your articles are informative and provide clear value to your audience. Leverage recommendations and endorsements from colleagues and clients. Ask satisfied customers to write recommendations on your profile. Endorse others for their skills, as this encourages reciprocity. Use LinkedIn's advanced search feature to find potential leads and clients. Filter by industry, location, and other relevant criteria to tailor your search. Reach out with customized messages that address their needs and pain points. Monitor your LinkedIn activity closely to identify audience engagement. Pay attention to which posts resonate and adapt your strategy accordingly. Lastly, continuously expand your network by connecting with industry leaders and influencers. Stay active on the platform to build credibility and keep your sales techniques protected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.